Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your account on Badoo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application on your smartphone and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now after logging into your account, you will be shown various different profiles that you can directly start chatting with. Now from this page, if you wish to hide your profile, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from the profile icon, tap on the settings icon at the top right and you will be taken into your settings page. Now from your settings page, tap on account and you will find the hide account button at the top section. Go ahead and tap on this, and now this will begin to hide your profile from anyone on the Badoo dating application. You can come back to this menu at any time if you wish to unhide your profile, and you can simply uncheck the box that you just checked and this will unhide your profile right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your profile on the Badoo dating application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.